Howdy folks, this is Solar Wolf here, aka Jacob of Ephraim. If you're noticing here, I haven't been on lately, even though we've had some M flares, and we did have an X 3.38 yesterday. We had a few other M flares, but none of them have been any kind of cause for concern. Nothing directed straight at us except for X-ray radiation, and we did have some protons that are kind of cooking the northern and southern poles with radiation. But this one here, the one to the far right, if you look, it is a M8.9. That one is a direct shot. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. We're going to go around on my stuff here. Oh, and by the way, the Italian Schumann has been going off like crazy all day today, and the Russian one, which is down here, is offline. I can't get onto it. So, come over here to Solar Ham, open up the tracker, and as you can see, it's headed directly at us, not just from the top view, but from the side view. We are going to get an impact. Right now, this right here is from Space Weather Prediction Center. This is their version. They're showing about 25 centimeters cubed of plasma, and I'm not exactly sure the density on this one. Color-wise, it looks like it would be about 30. It looks about whitish, so we're looking at about 30 centimeters cubed of plasma. But let's go over here and take a look. Come on up here and click on movies, and I'm going to show you something. Now this is directly Earth facing. Right here we're looking at the GO 16 SUVI and 94 angstroms of light, and as you can see right in front, boom, you see all that wave of plasma going up and out. Yeah, that is coming at us, and you can see it in multiple different variations. This right here is 195 angstroms of light, center disk, right at us, boom, and it almost looks like it opens a coronal hole on the upper right side right here, right about center mass. You see that? That's pretty significant. There are some more things that need to be looked at. This here is the 304 angstroms of light, and as you can see, boom, that was some plasma. You can see this in every one. So we do have incoming, and it looks like it's going to arrive, and that's a fast-moving one. If you actually take a look at this, that is what we would call a quick, what would we call a spontaneous. It would be a spontaneous flare with a Cme's, but it was so powerful, just wham, it just hit off almost like a rifle. Now, as I was saying, this right here is our north and south pole being ionized from one of the flares from earlier. Not really super significant unless you live near the poles. But, and this does show here, this is showing an M9.04. Oh, that's, yeah, so maybe it's a little higher than what was originally decided. That's interesting. Different. I don't think anybody really knows 100% yet. So it's looking like the arrival of this thing would be on the 13th, between the 13th and the 14th, it looks like, according to this. But over here, when we look, it looks like, yep, between the 13th and the 14th, and this is UTC time. So I would say probably around 9 o'clock in the morning, 9 to 10 o'clock in the morning, UTC time, we will be experiencing that impact. So keep your eyes open. No fear, and remember that love is the only way forward.